One of the myths about programming says that coding may be boring. And the myth is probably said by people who think that being a programmer means that you'll be sitting and typing some words on a keyboard, some weird signs that will be displayed on the screen, and maybe from time to time you can drink some coffee or, I don't know, maybe Coke, depending on which one you like. But the truth is that it's not that simple, that you will be only sitting and writing some code, because programming in real life means that you'll have to solve some problems, some issues, and before even starting to write some code, you will have to analyze the issue, analyze the problem that you will be solving, cut the problem into pieces, understand each of the parts after the cut, go through them, go deeply through them, understand them. After that, you can glue them together again to see a big picture of the problem. And only after doing those steps, you'll be able to write some part of the code. And after writing the code, you will figure out that the first version of the code that was written is not really working. So we'll have to refactor the code, and etc., etc. So it's a constant process on which you'll be working. So saying that programming is boring, okay, for some people it may be, but for most of the programmers, they do it because they enjoy it. They like solving problems, they like solving issues, they like figuring out the solutions. And that's what drives people, that's what drives programmers in their work on a daily basis. Some might say that programming is the way engineers can express their creativity, which is true, because very often to one problem there can be really many solutions. And you have to figure out all of them, decide which one is the best, is the fastest, is the cheapest maybe, or is the best quality according to some factors. And if you like this kind of analytical exercises, then no, programming won't be boring.